All the time. He claims he cooks. Yeah, see? Perfect. I'll be the one bringing home the bacon. Your son-in-law... Yeah, your son-in-law is on unemployment. Are you done?
No.
You're wrapped around the table. You gotta go back.
I would have known that. You should have told me a minute ago. I'm gonna find glass. I don't want to vacuum.
That's a reflection. Now where are you vacuuming?
In there. What?
You're not supposed to do circles. He realized he was on video and now he's dancing with the vacuum cleaner.
Wow, here we go.
Mom's hurting herself. Did you get behind the table?
Yes, I did.
You got right over there?
Okay.
You gotta push the table forward.
Hold this, please.
Oh, it's not gonna fall. Okay.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, you might want to get that off the floor. You know what helps? Pick up the cord. Hold it in your hand while you vacuum. Pick up the cord. Hold it in your hand while you vacuum. Yeah, just like that. You unplugged it.
Because I was trying to move it.
Well, you pulled the wrong end of the cord. You unplugged it.